Di namin alintana masasaktan, madadapa pang ako ay tatayo. Wala ko ubina, nakayo ko na maglayatay. Sa bolang binigay, hindi na naging batang pasaway. Dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako, Bicol Cup. Di ka atrasa sa basketbulan, maraming natutunan. Pagkakaibigan, disiplina ang gabay. Sa hamon ng court, puso'y naging matibay. Lakas at galing lahat ibinigay. Terminado progress, huwag lang sumablay. Simula pa kay bata, basketball na ang laro. Kahit na minsan, wala namang tropayo. Salamat na kilala, tinama ko ang snow. Malinis na laro, binigay sa publiko. Paglabas sa court, pwedeng maging amigo. Walang tatalo sa disiplinado. Lahat kami ay sumasaludo. Siya ako, ikaw, tayo ay Bicolano dito pa lang. Panalo na tayo, isigaw natin. Ako Bicol, isigaw natin. Ako Bicol.
Ako, Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Sa court, ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako, Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin.
Good evening, basketball fans at maray na banggi mga kasurog. Ito pa rin ang inyong paboritong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa! Welcome na welcome kayo mga kasurog sa ating venue dito sa munisipyo ng Sipokot para sa ating double header matchup sa ating Bigat 10 quarterfinals. Siyempre, partner, pasadaan muna natin ang mga nangungunang teams sa ating AKB Cup quarterfinal standings. Starting with the teams from Bracket A, leading in line is Naga with 2 win and no loss, followed by Nabua with 1 win and 0 loss. Lupi in between 1 win and 1 loss, while Milaor with 2 losses and Sangay with 1 loss. How about the Bracket B, partner?
Yes, Kamaligan who's leading the bracket with 2 wins and 0 loss. Iriga with 1 wins and 0 loss. San Fernando with 1 win and 1 loss. And Team Goa with 0 wins and 1 loss. And team last but not the least, Del Gallego with 0 win and 2 loss.
At yan ang ating team standing sa ating quarterfinals ng Ako Bicol Cup. At yan, no, despite with these standings, these are the top 10 among the 36 teams who entered the Ako Bicol Cup. Ngayong gabi mga kaibigan, matutunghayan natin sa unang game ang tapatang Sangay kontra sa kupunan ng Nabua. Bago natin makalimutan, partner, magpakilala muna tayo. Ako nga po pala, si Angelo Espinosilia, ang inyong play-by-play commentator.
Yes, ako naman po si Coach JP Diswangco, ang inyong basketball analyst.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, Coach
Yes,
JP.
magandang gabi po.
At magandang gabi sa ating mga kasurog na nanonood sa Facebook, YouTube, at sa page ni Congressman Zaldico. Now, Coach JP, pag-usapan muna natin ang upcoming Game 1. Ano sa tingin mo yung preparations na ginawa ng Team Nabua after winning 1 game against Lupi at preparation na ginawa ng Team Sangay after they've experienced the taste of defeat against Naga?
Yes, dito sa part ng Team Nabua, I think yung preparations nila dito sa Team Sangay is they need to stop their transition offense kasi itong Team Sangay, ito yung game nila, yung up-tempo game. Up-tempo game yung ginagawa nila and yung inside presence sila sa loob, yung mga offensive rebounds. And dito naman sa part ng Sangay, ang kailangan naman nila dito pagtuunan ng pansin is itong outside shot dito sa part ng Nabua, given the fact nandito nga yung Eric, yung Bernales brothers, so they need to watch it out. And at the same time, yung solid inside presence nitong Team Nabua.
Alright, with their differences in their game style, abangan natin ang kapanapanabik na bakbakan ng Team Nabua against Team Sangay. Team Nabua wishing to continue their winning streak, while Sangay, this is a redemption game for them. So, before we proceed with this exciting game, puntahan muna natin ang ating napagandang courtside reporter na si Carmela Hernandez para sa kanyang interview sa dalawang coaches. Carmela, take it away!
Maraming salamat Coach Jello and Coach JP at magandang gabi mga kasurog. This is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter for tonight. And right now, nasa 5th day na nga tayo ng ating quarterfinals and we're about to start our first game for tonight between Nabua and Sangay. And presently, we have here with me the coaches of both teams. Unahin muna natin ang Team Nabua. We have Coach Mark Dasal. So Coach, magandang gabi po. Kamusta po kayo ngayon?
Okay naman, good evening. Good evening sa mga nanonood.
So ayun, bali Coach, naipanalo nyo ang inyong first game dito sa ating quarterfinals and right now, this is your second game. Ano bang paghahanda ang ginawa nyo para dito?
Actually, sinabi ko sa mga players na yung 10 teams na nakapasok sa quarterfinals is mga malalakas. So, hinahanda namin every game. We try to review their games, and then we come up doon sa mga offense and defense na gagawin namin na rin.
Ayan, maraming salamat Coach. By the way, we are live sa ating social media. Mayroon po ba kayong gustong batiin o pasalamatan? Go on.
Okay, unang-una gusto kong batiin yung aking father, si Sir Jerry Dasal. Alam ko nanonood siya sa YouTube sa bahay. And then si Coach JP na rin. Kay brother, yun lang.
And maraming salamat po, Coach. And ngayon, dito naman sa Team Sangay, we have Coach Eric Pilapil. So, Coach, good evening. Kamusta po kayo ngayon?
Mabuti naman po. Salamat.
So, Coach, before we start this match-up, matanong ko lang din po. So, medyo kinulang po kayo last game ninyo, right? So, ano po yung paghahanda ang ginawa nyo or ano ba yung playstyle nyo ngayon upang makabawi and para makuha ang inyong unang panalo dito sa ating quarterfinal?
Well, sinabi ko lang sa mga players, doble sipag lang, no. Though short-handed kami ngayon kasi wala kaming big man ngayon eh. So, pero ganun pa rin, lalaban pa rin kahit medyo kulang sa players today. Pero sabi ko nga, yung Nabua is one of the strongest, dito sa bracket na to. So, kailangan siguro namin magsipag sa depensa, and lalo na yung ilalim. Medyo malakas yun eh. Tsaka yung dalawang shooter nila sa labas yung backcourt nila. So yun siguro gagawin namin.
Ayan, that's right, Coach. Lumaban at lumaban pa rin. So, Coach, by the way, we are live sa ating social media platforms. May gusto mo ba kayong batiin o pasalamatan? Lalong-lalo na sa mga supporters ng Team Sangay.
Unang-una yung LGU Sangay, and yung mga taga-Sangay na sumusuporta sa team na to, and also yung family ko, yung wife ko, 3 kids ko, and friends sa Partido area, lalo na sa PSU.
That's it. Maraming salamat po, coaches, and good luck for tonight. Ayan, we already heard the coaches of both teams. Kaya mga kasurog, stick around because we're about to start our first game. And you can also watch us Ako Bicol Party List page, Ako Bicol Online TV at sa page ng Representative Zaldico and also in our YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya wag na natin itong patagalin pa mga kasurog. Take it away, Coach JP and Coach Jello.
Thank you so much, Carmela. Later on, makasama natin ulit si Carmela para sa kanyang report. But for the meantime, Coach JP, tingnan muna natin ang tinatawag nating kasurog match-up. These are the top players in their previous game. So on screen, makikita natin ang ating tinatawag na kasurog match-up.
Yes, partner. This is the most awaited matchup for this first game between Joshua Buela and Francis Redondo of Nabua. And when it comes to 2 points average, with 80% itong si Joshua Buela and 27% itong si Francis Redondo, kitang-kita natin yung malayong pagkakaiba when it comes to 2-point average. Pero pagdating naman dito sa free throw average natin, dito naman lumamang itong si Francis Redondo with 75% and itong si Joshua Buela with 25% only. And when it comes to rebounds, sabi ko nga, ito yung mga athletic type of players playing position number 4. So halos same type of game sila. Ito yung mga aggressiveness, ay mga aggressive offensive rebound and rebounds sila. And pagdating naman sa points, ito naman si Joshua Buela with 20% and ito naman si Francis Redondo with 18%.
Yan, mga napakagandang matchup ang ating i-anticipate ngayon, mga kasurog. Thank you for that, Coach JP, na mukhang these two matchups, kasurog matchups, will be painting our floor with sweat and blood.
Yes.
But again, these are not the only star players in each team, Coach JP. They are composed of amazing players from each municipality. So pasadahan natin ang kanilang team stats, Coach JP.
Yes, dito naman sa screen natin, makikita natin yung team stats. Itong Team Sangay with 52% dito sa field ng 2 points average, and Team Nabua with 40%. 3-point average, Team Sangay with 12%, Team Nabua with 16%. And off rebounds, hindi sila nagkakalayo dito, partner. Itong Team Sangay with 10% and itong Team Nabua with 11%. And steals, dito tayo nagkalayo. I hope ma-recover to ng Team Sangay kasi meron sila ditong 9% and itong Team Nabua with 17%. Ibig sabihin, when it comes to game defense, mas aggressive tong Team Nabua. And sa turnover naman, almost 1% lang yung pagkakaiba nila.
And that makes our game more interesting and exciting, Coach JP. And while these numbers, these statistics don't lie, basketball is a game of unpredictability and it's a multifaceted game. So abangan natin ang kapanapanabik na bakbakan at huwag na natin itong patagalin pa. Tawagin na natin ang ating game arena announcer na si JV Salvador. JV, the floor is yours.
Marhay na banggi mga kasunod. This is your game 39 ng Apple Bicol Cup, California Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Sanikoan ng Apple Bicol Ordinance. Tatabang na kasunod pa. We welcome you everyone inside the Municipal Government of Sibobot for our double-header matchups in our quarterfinals. For our first game, we will be having Team Sangay versus Team Nabua. For the starters, let's first start with Team Sangay. Wearing jersey number 0, Rex Vilapi. Wearing jersey number 3, Beben Lumati. Wearing jersey number 10, Albert Regalario. Wearing jersey number 17, Yuji Maliapre. And wearing jersey number 27, Sam Cano. The head coach for Team Sangay, Mr. Eric Vilapi. And for the starters for Team Nabua, we have wearing jersey number 1, Jomel Ligamo. Wearing jersey number 2, Eric Bernales. Wearing jersey number 9, Francis Redondo. Wearing jersey number 13, John Rodney Mulgar. And wearing jersey number 15, Christian Perona. The head coach for Team Nabua is Mr. Mark Dasal. And officiating officials for this podium are Trucci, Edward Paron, number 1, Ricky De Leon, and number 2, Edmond Paron. This is your Apple Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur. Hatid Down!
At yun na nga, magandang gabi mga kasurog. Ako muli si Angelo Espinosilla, ang inyong basketball play-by-play commentator. At kasama ko ang napaka-poging coach na si Coach JP.
Naku, wala na bang iba niyan, no, partner? Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyo, sa lahat ng mga nanonood. And please enjoy watching the game dito sa first game natin between Team Nabua and Team Sangay.
And we're here sa ating first quarter. Bernales passing the ball. Looking for someone. Back to Bernales. From downtown, nothing but net. Napagandang tira yon, brought to you by Mississippi Bay, Cagraray Island.
Yes,
That put a score on our boards, Coach JP.
Yes, yun na yung sinasabi natin kanina na kailangan pinagandaan yon ng Team Sangay.
Tama,
Yung
but it
outside
was quickly taken away by Pilapil saying, no, 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 you can't do that to us. Now Bernales, once again, dribbles, cross the half court. Bounce pass to Folgar. Folgar, pump fakes, shoots from perimeter. No good. Easily rebounded by Team Sangay. So sa mga ka-tune in lang, Team Sangay is wearing jersey white while Team Nabua is on blue. Lumabe to Pilapil. Once again, firing the bomb. This time it was an air ball. Redondo with an easy rebound. Redondo, bounce pass to the side. Recovered by Bernales. Bernales, back to Redondo. Perimeter shot. And still, no luck. Mukhang kinakapapa, Coach JP, ang court ng si Pokot.
Yes, totoo yan. Hindi ibig sabihin nag-warm up na kayo, kapang-kapaan nyo na yung court natin.
Tama, nagpapainit pa lang.
Yes.
And that's it. 3 points. Once again by Regalario. It's raining 3 for the first quarter. Mga kaibigan, this game is brought to you by ako, Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico Bernales to the side with a corner shoots 2 points. Napagandang tira ni Beron. Nakakala ko 3 points yun. 2 points lang pala. Lumabe. Now generating a play for his team. Fake pass to Pilapil. Pilapil once again with his favorite spot. Attacking the baseline. Heavily guarded. Passes to the side. Lab pass to Lumabe. Lumabe thinking to shoot. Fires the bomb. No luck. Good rebound on the side of Sangay. Pushing against all odds. And the first whistle of the game was blown.
Yes, Beron committed the foul against Malyapre. And now he's shooting for free throw.
Alright, so I think, ano sa tingin mo, Coach? Are they going to continue shooting from beyond the arc or are they going to penetrate in the paint?
I think itong team Nabua, they will continue shooting the ball from the arc, knowing that's one of their strength. And dito naman sa part ng team Sangay, yung inside presence dahil nandyan yung Malyapre.
Tama, no? They have the team of shooters. So that's Malyapre perfecting his free throws. Now Bernales once again, quick pass to the baseline. Throws the ball into the air but it was too strong. Redondo with a rebound against 2. Heavily guarded, loses the ball. Full guard recovers, stripped away by Sangay. Lumabi, dashing. Pilapil asking for a pass but it was given to with a reverse layup. It was given to Cano but didn't make it. Nabua now with an opportunity. But Beron loses the ball.
Yes, sayang yun, partner Jello. 2 versus 1, hindi binigay nitong si Beron yung bola.
Sayang, no?
Easy 2 points sana.
Maybe nag-a-adjust din, no?
Yes.
Sa awareness sa court.
Yes.
Now, Redondo looking for someone. To Bernales. Fires the missile! Boom! 3 points by Bernales. That shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise. Tamang-tama, Sir JP, yung prediction mo. They will keep on shooting from downtown. Lumabi, once again.
And hindi pa pumapasok itong kapatid nitong si Bernales, and isa din na
Shooter.
3-point shooter din to.
Parang may reserva pa.
Yes.
Kumbaga, we have the American sniper, we have the British sniper
Yes.
in reserve. Digamo, back to Bernales. Quick pass to the baseline. But now, it was, I think, predicted because that was the play they have been making. Now, Lumabe, looking for someone. Pass to Pilapil, but was taken away. Now, from a perimeter shot,
Regulario.
very accurate shooting ni Regalario on the corner. Fulgar, once again, drives. But loses the ball. No, it will be a turnover. And the ball will be awarded for Team Sangay. Lumabi, slowing down the pace because they were running and dashing for the first 4 minutes of the game. Trying to create a play for his team. Looking for someone. To Regalario, back to Lumabe. Lumabe, Pilapil asking, attacking the paint. Back to Regalario. Regalario shoots. No good for Cano's attempt. Bernales once again, the playmaker. Controlling the traffic. Digamo from downtown. Misses. Redondo with the second attempt. Loses the ball, but the whistle was blown.
Napaka-aggressive nitong si Francis Redondo of Team Nabua, and that's one of his strength. That's why lagi siyang napupunta dito sa free throw line.
Tama, no, he's using his height advantage and built to control the paint. No? Saying that I am the king of the rim. No, I'll be attacking it and then I'll be protecting it. The king and the protector. Redondo of Nabua. And despite his build, no, he's good in shooting in the lines. No? He sinks 1 out of 2.
Yes. And kanina nga, dun sa percentage, nasa 75% itong si
Very
Franz.
accurate.
Yes.
Indeed. Pilapil, looking for someone. Back to Lumabe. Lumabe, back to Pilapil. From the top of the key, no luck. Turnover. So again, no, very accurate ang prediction natin. This will be an aggressive game in the first quarter. And Sangay is just leading with 1 point.
And given the fact, wala pa yung Monsalve sa kanila, partner.
Tama, no? Kumbaga, ano pa yung nila? Best player, kumbaga.
Nagpapahinga.
Nagpapahinga. Or maybe nagbabiyahe. Tingnan
Yes.
natin. Lumabi. Driving the ball. To Pilapil. Pilapil, pump fakes. Attacking the baseline against 2. What a nice drop to the teammate. No, kaso medyo
Overshoot.
kinapos
Yes,
yung
na-overshoot
connection.
itong ni Malyapre.
Tama. No, napagandang Pilapil and Malyapre connection sana yon. But 3 was taken by Fulgar. That shot was brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Now Nabua is on the lead. Sangay trying to regain their advantage. Malyapre attacking. Loses the ball. Bernales. Bounce pass to Fulgar. Fulgar attacking the paint. Throws the ball into the air. But a foul was called. Good defense. No, however, there was a contact.
Yes, sa part na nangyaring senaryo nun, partner, napakagandang recognition itong ginawa ni Pulgar na since maliit itong si Ken Pilapil, that's why he continues to attack the basket.
Tama. Plus, the idea that Pilapil is a player who contributed a lot
Yes.
for Team Sangay in their previous game. So, removing him from the game would probably increase their chances of winning. So, Fulgar, very accurate, sinking 2 baskets and charity stripe. So, that's a timeout called because Nabua now is taking the lead in this first game of our doubleheader matchup. So, thoughts on the first 5 minutes of the game, Coach JP?
Yes, yung nakakakuha ng puntos itong team na Nabua from their transition, nakatakbo sila eh. So, ibig sabihin, they're controlling the boards. That's why they're running. And if they run, nakakaroon sila ng maraming opportunity. That's why nakakommit sila from the free throw line and at the same time, nakaka-attack to the basket sila.
Tama, no? They are using their energy, no, as a team, no, composed of relatively young players as
Yes.
compared to other teams. And at the same time, no, adding the unpredictability of shooting in and out.
Yes.
So tingnan natin kung ano yung adjustment na ginawa ni Coach Pilapil after the timeout. Lumabi still generating the play for his team. Quick pull 3-pointer. No good. Redondo with an easy rebound. Redondo. Bounce pass to the side and Fulgar attacks. Shoots. No good. Yan, 4 minutes remaining time on our first period. This game is brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List at the Congressman Saldico. Redondo with an inbound. Tuberon, back to Redondo. Redondo with 10 seconds on the clock. What a bounce pass but intercepted, recovered by Fulgar. But now, Pilapil driving the ball against a little man, Digamo, uses his body to push. Still looking for someone, yet intercepted. Redondo running like a wind, dashing into the basket. Napakagandang burst ni Redondo.
Very composed.
Very composed indeed. Lumabi, looking for someone to Pilapil. Pilapil, heavily guarded, attacking, using the pick. Drives, trying to shake off his defender, but loses Malyapre with a recovery. But a jump there, no, on the rebound. A foul was called on Team Sangay.
Yes, and I think that's a useless foul coming from Reglario.
Very, very costly foul.
Yes.
That's why I think Coach Pilapil recognized that he needs to warm the bench for a little while. Now, Bernales driving the ball. Once again, to Digamo. Digamo pump fakes. Attacks very quick. Shaking off his defender. Now, Beron cleaning up the mess. What a nice play by Nabua. Now, they're on the lead with 8 points. Trying to increase the advantage with a 2-digit. But of course, Team Sangay won't allow it. Now, Lumabi. To our Kasurog matchup player. Lumabi once again. Intercepted by Bernales. Grabe naman talaga yung statistics on steals. Napakabilis. These are the team of blunderers.
Dalawang turnovers na tayo doon, and from that turnovers, converted.
But that was a shot was brought to by Highlands Legaspi, no? Napakagandang tira to break the momentum of Team Nabwa. Digamo dancing with the beat of We Will Rock You. Digamo to Fulgar. Fulgar attacking the baseline. Pump fake, spins, bounce pass to Redondo. Redondo with a layup. Napakagandang connection ni Fulgar at Redondo. Lumabi once again. Controlling the ball. Finding the rhythm still for Team Sangay. They are struggling. Lumabi attacking the paint against 4. Napakagandang pasa.
Parang naulit lang yung nangyari kanina, partner.
Tama.
From attack to drop passes, same thing din yung ginawa sa kabila. Attack and drop the ball.
Tama. I think that's the psychology of basketball, no? Pag nakatira ng 3 points yung kalaban, you will attempt a 3 as well. No,
Yes.
Declaring that you can do things like that as well. Fulgar, what a nice pass to Biron. Grabe ang ball movement, Coach JP.
Yes, kanina, Fulgar to Redondo. Ngayon naman, Fulgar to Beron.
This goes to prove that these players are not ordinary players. No? These are the formidable players of their municipality. Now, Pilapil to Lumabi. Lumabi with his footwork to Buela, pump fakes. Another pass to the side, but it was predicted this time. But Buela was there to clean up the mess. And another timeout was called, Coach JP.
Yes.
Grabe.
And then both teams are playing zone defense. Ibig sabihin na mas gusto nilang tumira sa labas ang kanilang mga opponents. That's why they're playing zone defense. Ayaw nilang maka-attack through the basket. I think lalo na tong Team Sangay, they need to protect each and every one. And knowing that Monsalve, the absence of Monsalve is very big kumbaga effect sa kanila.
Tama
Sa
na.
ngayong laro.
It's affecting the team, no?
Yes.
And a while ago, we had the chance to interview the coach, no? Malaking pilay sa kanila. Nakawalan ng isang big man. Because kailangan mag-double effort ang mga rebounders nila. But nonetheless, tingnan natin, no, how Sangay will cope with their missing players. Now we're down to the last 1 minute and 19 seconds of our first period with a score of 24-17, still leading Nabwa. Nabwa aiming to continue their streak, no, to have 2-0 after this game if they win, and a redemption game for Sangay to gain their first win. But that was a shot made by
Vilitario.
Veletario. In his first appearance.
Itong si Pedro Vilitario, pero ando na kagad yung aggressiveness nitong batang to.
Tama, Pilapil with a pullover shot, but a foul was called there. Didn't connect, but at least there was a foul called, and I think he will shoot from the free throw line.
Substitution. First personal foul, second team foul.
Yan, inilabas si Digamo, and we have
Ito yung kapatid ni Bernales, pinasok na. Itong number 9 na isa ding shooter.
another shooter. 19, I think, Coach JP, ang
19,
number.
I'm sorry.
Si Bernales Alvin. So,
Yes.
tingnan natin, no? If he will be continuing being the playmaker just like his brother did, or iba naman ang play style nito ni Alvin.
We will see kung anong kayang i-contribute nito ni
Right. Hermoso
Bernales Alvin.
driving the ball to Veletario. Back to Hermoso. Hermoso struggling to find an open teammate. Now to Alvin, but lose the ball. They have 9 seconds to execute a play and gain a point and increase their lead. So tingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nila. And with the music, how are they going to dance in this court? Redondo with a long pass to Veletario. Veletario to the shooter! No luck this time. Mukhang kinakapa din ni Alvin ang 3-point line.
Yes, and given the fact kakapasok pa lang itong ni Alvin Bernales. Nagpapainit pa to, partner.
Tama. Now, Veletario. Redondo with the ball. Intercepted by Lumabi. Lumabi against 2. Shoots the ball and 1. Napakandang drive, no, regardless of the height disadvantage and physical disadvantage. No fear itong si Lumabi.
Yes.
A very experienced player. No, I think very famous din to si Lumabi sa kanyang high school.
High school days nito.
Tama. Saan
Very
siya
known
naglaro?
players.
Coach JP.
He's playing from the SBC, the Shepherdville school.
A very strong team.
Yes. When it comes to recruitment, isa din to sa very strong.
Kaya naman pala, no doubt that Lumabi can play in this prestigious Ako Bicol Cup. Now, Redondo against 3 with a sidestep shot. No good. Redondo trying to clean up his mess but loses the ball. Sangay now with the ball to Pilapil. But that's the end of the first quarter with the score at 26-21. A 5-point lead of Nabwa. Thoughts on the first period, Coach JP?
Very manageable itong Kalamangan. Ako nga, kapag nagko-coach ako, I always tell my players, every quarter, keep the game close tayo. So, para yung adjustment natin laging accurate and at the same time, lagi tayong ganado, even the players.
Tama. So, yan, abangan natin kung mako-continue ba ng Nabwa ang kanilang Kalamangan after this first quarter o hahabol ang Sangay. No, in the first few minutes, lamang ang Team Sangay as compared to Team Nabwa, pero hinahabol agad ni Team Nabwa after draining several shots from downtown.
Yes, and at the same time, the turnovers that are committed by the Team Sangay, that's one of the factor na kaya nag-lead ng ganitong Kalamangan itong team na Nabwa.
Tama, very costly turnovers on the side of Team Sangay. But also we have to commend the stealing ability of Team Nabwa. They are very accurate in intercepting the attacks of Team Sangay. So tingnan natin if there will be a change of air for the second period or will Nabwa continue to dominate this period.
Yes, kitang-kita sa stats, 17%.
Ang stealing prowess
yes.
ng Nabwa.
And dito sa part ng Sangay, 9% lang.
9% lang. So that's almost double. Kaya naman grabe yung turnover. Ito yung hindi natin madalas nakikita sa basketball. We usually think of the offense or focus on the attacks. But hindi natin nakikita yung mga steals,
yes, yung
mga
intangible.
turnovers. Tama. Yan, balikan muna. Puntahan muna natin, Coach JP, yung mga top scorers. For Team Nabwa, we have Beron with 6 points and Bernales with 6 points.
And dito naman sa part ng Team Sangay, itong si number 10, Regalario, with 5 points and 2 rebounds, 2 steals.
Alright, now Hermoso dishing the ball to Bernales. Bernales shoots a floater from long range. No good. But recovered. Bernales trying to pass to Hermoso. What a drop pass to the teammate. No, hindi ko nakita yung kung kanino niya yung pinasa. Napagandang pasa. Yun yung tinatawag nating
drop pass.
$1 million play pero a centavo shot. He wasn't able to secure that point for his team.
Tumama sa board.
Tama.
Pero hindi nag-shoot.
Tama. It could have been one of the highlights of this week. Now Lumabi, pump fakes. Attacking the guards, Eurostep, and a quick pass. Tokamo.
Substitution.
It was an out of bounds and there's a substitution. Beron comes in again. Sangay. Buela looking for someone. Inbound it to Pilapil. Almost intercepted, but that's a traveling violation. No.
Another turnover.
Tama.
From the side of Team Sangay.
Eto na. Sana hindi ka naman magdilang Anghel na sunod na turnover, Coach JP.
Yes.
No, kasi that's wishing ill against the other team. Now Hermoso attacking. Napagandang bounce pass to Beron. Beron didn't connect. Pulgar with the second attempt. But intercepted now by Sangay. Amo. Tubuela. Pilapil. Attacking. And intercepted. Grabe talaga ang stealing prowess ng Team Nabwa.
And very aggressive sila when it comes to defense. Mas doble pa.
13 seconds to shoot.
Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng Team Sangay to recover. Ito na ang awkward 3 ni Bernales. Didn't connect.
And Delitario for the follow-up shot.
Tama, parang he's trusting his teammate but at the same time, he need to secure the shot. So he was there at the right place at the right time. Lumabi, now driving to Pilapil. Pilapil heavily guarded, back to Lumabi. Lumabi shaking off his guard. But there was a foul called, Napagandang slicing through the defense sana yun.
Foul number 10.
But there was a foul called on Hermoso.
Second team foul.
And Hermoso with 2 fouls already. So it was he was replaced by Bernales. Now the two Bernales, Coach JP is on the floor.
Ito yung exciting dito na partner.
Tingnan natin na Lumabi attacking against all odds. No good. Napakaganda saan ang lipad yun.
Yes, very wild shot coming from Lumabi.
Beron to Bernales. Lab pass to Fulgaro at an alley-oop. Pwede na yung ilista.
No.
Sir Iris. No, napakagandang alley-oop. No, kailangan mo doon ng psychological connection to complete that wonderful play. Napakagandang steal and hustle ni Bernales. The Bernales brothers now passing the ball to each other. Pump fakes. Bernales with a teardrop. Still, no luck. Hinahanap pa ni Alvin ang kanyang connection with the basket.
And the good thing about this team Nabua, in every possession, they're fighting for it, partner.
Tama, very good hustle. Commendable hustle on the side of Team Nabua. Lumabi with a blind pass to Buela. Pump fakes and a jumper. No good. Pilapil with a good rebound on the side. Lumabi once again generating a play for his team. Lab pass to Pilapil from his favorite spot. But still, no luck. Now, securing the ball for Team Nabua is Fulgar. Passes it to Bernales. Eric John dropping it to Beron. Back to Eric John Bernales. Now to his brother Bernales from downtown. Rattles the rim but didn't connect. Pilapil with the ball. Still trying to get the points for their team. Nag-struggle ang Team Sangay ngayon with a Eurostep and a pass to Lumabi. An open three but Pumfix attacking the two Giants and a drop pass to his teammate but didn't connect. Now a second attempt, third attempt. Still no luck and for their fourth attempt, Lumabi with a jumper. And this time, he nailed it. Grabing offensive rebound.
Yes,
naman doon.
grabing effort nitong Lumabi. Coming from attack and another rebound and converting the shots.
Tama, Coach JP. Mukhang I think ibababa din ito. Si Lumabi, giving his experience in the basketball. Now Pilapil from coast to coast.
Slicing through the basket. Itong
That
si
shot is
Pilapil.
brought to you by Hotel St. Elise. No, that's the Rokawa shot of the game.
Kaya lang mukhang hindi kamukha ni Pilapil yung Rukawa.
Pero yung tira Napakita Bernales from long range. Using the board and hits the basket. What a shot! This man keeps on surprising us. Now, this shot is brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Napakagandang tira, Sometimes from awkward shot to long-range shot. But of course, Buela denying the fame for Bernales. Revenge three-pointer. Agad, umuulan na ulit ng tres. Bernales running like a wind. Shakes off his guard, but it was intercepted by Buela. Bernales with a rebound. To Bernales. Eric Jan. From downtown. Misses.
Okay na, nice. Okay na, nice na. Nice na, okay na.
Pilapil. Shakes off his guard. Slashing through the defense. Napakagandang tira yun! Ilista mo na yun, Sir Iris. Grabe naman yun. Pilapil showing off his ball handling prowess. And then securing a basket for his team. And with that, walang kamalay-malay ang ating mga audience at tayo dito, Coach JP. We are on our very first deadlock of the game at 32.
With 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Pero yung laro parang pang fourth quarter na. Yung aggressiveness from rebound, slicing through the defense and converting shots. And dito naman sa kabila, shooting from the arc. Hindi natin alam kung at the end of the game, sino ba ang mananalo dito.
Tama, it's a battle of long range and melees, kumbaga. While Team Sangay, Team Nabua is attacking from the outside. Ito naman, si Team Sangay is slicing through the defense. And it's very, very commendable for Pilapil, being the big guy, but at the same time, very good in handling the ball. He slices several times through the defense of Team Nabua.
Yes, and I think he started from the Rukawa shots.
Tama.
Nakuha niya yung kumpiyansa niya doon kasi
Tama.
kanina niya pa hinahanap yun
So tingnan natin kung anong magbabago for the remaining 5 minutes. Digamo. And there's already a pressure no, in the second quarter. Bernales heavily guarded, looking for someone. Back to Digamo. Digamo dribbles, asking for a pick. And a pass to Redondo. Redondo against 3 with a hook shot. No good. Heavily guarded by the Giants. Bernales looking for someone. To Biron with a jumper. Still no luck. Offensive rebound ng Team Nabua for their third attempt. Fires the missile and kaboom!
Digamo for 3!
That shot is brought to you by Highlands. Digamo all the way from Gubat, Sorsogon to play for Ako Bicol Cup. Buela, revenge 3-pointer. This time it only hits the rim but didn't connect to the basket.
Gusto ka agad bawian itong Team Sangay.
Tama, yun yung observance ko, Coach JP, no? Yun yung sinasabi ko from the very beginning. Parang pag may nag 3 points, magti 3 points ka rin.
Yes.
I don't know if it's a culture or yun talaga yung mental state ng mga basketball player.
I think instinct ng players.
Instincts ng players. Bernales dashing, bounce pass to Redondo but it was intercepted. Ito na, hustling with the ball. And there was a whistle blown there. Again, napaka-tinding bakbakan ng Team Nabua and Team Sangay. Sa mga ka-tune in pa lang, Team Nabua is edging with a 1-point lead in this bracket A, while Team Sangay has experienced their first defeat against Naga. So this is a redemption and a very crucial game for them. So tingnan natin on kung anong efforts ang ibubuhos ng Team Sangay to win this game. Bernales loses the ball, but it was stripped away, I think, by Lumabi. That's why the ball will still be given to them.
Yes, napakagandang matchup itong dalawa.
Tama. Redondo inbounding the ball. Parang last time it was Almari versus Lumabe.
Yes.
Now Bernales versus Lumabe. A very good point guards to watch. Napakagandang connection. Digamo with a small build with a nice pass. Napakagandang ball movement sana, kaso hindi 30 seconds ang ating shot clock.
Yes.
So 24 seconds lang.
Doon mapasok yung awareness ng players natin.
Tama, no? Dapat may body clock ka na rin, no?
Yes.
Counting for 24 seconds. Now, Buela, pump fakes to Pilapil. Pilapil, attacking the key against all odds with a layup. A Hail Mary layup. Para pahiga na siya. Digamo out of nowhere! 2 points! Running like a wind, we have Digamo. Parang sumulpot lang nakabuti.
Yes.
Digamo doon.
From
Lumabe.
Sorsogon.
From Sorsogon. Back to Lumabe. Thinking 3. Quick pass to the side. And a short jumper. No good. Ang attempt ni Camo. Bernales. Bounce pass to Redondo. Back to Bernales. The Bernales and Redondo connection was plundered by Pilapil. Pilapil, 4 against 1. Lumabe. Napakagandang defense on Team Nabua. But he was left on his knees after
Muntik
Buela
pa.
secured the shot. Muntik pa.
4 versus 1.
Very costly mistake. No, if ever na nagawa yung depensa, that's 4 versus 1. Bernales. Driving the ball. Attacks. Loses the ball. Now Sangay with the ball but still nag-struggle pa rin ang Nabua to recover. Pilapil, an opportunity for them. Shoots the ball. And ito na nga, nagbabaga na ang isang Pilapil ng Sangay. At yan, bago pa lumamig, puntahan muna natin si Carmela para sa kanyang report. Carmela, take it away.
Simula pa lamang ng first quarter ay sagutan ng tres agad ang pinakita ng both teams. We can really see their determination upang makuha ang panalo ngayon. Especially the team sa ngayon na doble trabaho at inaayos na ang mga naging errors nila in their last game. Kahit na medyo may advantages naman sa kanila ang kanilang kalaban in terms of speed and height. Ngayon dito sa ating second quarter, Team Nabua is getting aggressive lalong-lalo na sa pagpuntos. They really make sure na bawat tira ay pasok agad ito. And as of the moment, Team Sangay is giving them a good fight. At talaga namang nakikisabayan sila sa Team Nabua. As we can see, hindi na nagkakalayo ang kanilang mga puntos. Kaya ayon sa Team Sangay ay gagawin daw nila ang tamang ball rotation at mas dodoblin pa ang depensa at opensa. That's the latest update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Carmela. At tamang-tama nga yung sinabi niya. No, papaigtingin yung atake, and with that, no, nandito na naman tayo sa siso scoring natin. Nabwa leading with 1 point. A while ago, Sangay, no? Taking away their lead. Now an opportunity once again to take away the lead. Buela shoots from beyond the arc, no good. Malyapre with a 2. Still, no luck. With the third attempt, napakagandang rebound sa pinapakita dito ng Team Sangay. Struggling, looking for someone. Buela once again attacking in a perimeter shot. No good. And another attempt. Buela rejected this time. Pulgar to Digamo. Ito na naman ang ating slasher. Digamo out of nowhere once again. Increasing the
Quick
lead.
4 points coming
Grabe.
from Digamo. From the transition offense, itong si Digamo.
Tama, parang pinatikim lang. But Lumabe trying to cut off the lead. Digamo once again. But Lumabe knows better. Alam niya nang hindi na pwede yon. But stolen once again. Eto, grabe ang turnover between two teams. And an alley-oop. No luck, Lumabe. Grabe naman to si Lumabe. At the right place, at the right time.
He's doing everything for Team Sangay.
And it
Itong
was-
si Lumabe.
Hand off to him. No, grabe. Even the 1 second remaining is still draw off the ball.
Yes, he's fighting for that possession.
And that's the end of the second quarter with a score of 42-41. An intense battle between these two teams. Magbabalik po kami.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo dahil may kamalilinguan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon ining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano. Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit 1 dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, kadakulan ang tabang diki sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
At ayan, Maray na Banggi, Giraray, mga kasurog. Good evening, basketball fans. Muli, this is Angelo Espinosilia, your play-by-play commentator, and with me is
Coach JP Diswangko.
Ayan, before
Magandang gabi po and enjoy watching the game for
Tama.
this second half.
Napapanood tayo sa Sipokot, Municipal Covered Court ng live. Meron din tayong FB Live sa page ni Rep Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. You may also follow us on our YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup. So, i-shoutout ko na ang aking mga ka-work as the start of the third quarter. Si Mama Che, Sir Noy, Ma'am Marian, Ma'am Chelsea, and Ma'am Shani and Ate Poli. So, shoutout po sa inyo. Happy viewing. Nanonood daw sila ngayon sa faculty.
Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Tingnan natin ang gagawin ng Sangay. Pilapil with a pull-over jumper. Pump fake, shoots! No good. Bernales slowly with his awareness looking for someone. Pass to Fulgar but misses. Bernales recovered. Quick pass to Redondo. Slicing through the defense. Napagandang blow-by na ginawa ni Redondo. Leaving the defender out of the dust. Pilapil. Now, still struggling to gain their first point on the third quarter. Bounce pass to Malyapre. Malyapre attacks! Napagandang utilization of his body.
Yes, I think that is his first shot, first field goals pala, partner. Nung first half, medyo nangangapapatong si Malyapre.
Okay, tingnan natin kung magsusunod-sunod ang puntos ni Malyapre. Pilapil, now with the ball. Instructing his teammate, asking for a pick, pushes Digamo. Pilapil, attacking. Quick pick and roll, pero it was back-trapped again by Digamo. Lumabi against, what a spin and a reverse layup! But didn't connect. Sayang, napagandang atake sana.
Footwork?
Grabe naman to.
Yes.
Parang is tango man in this basketball court.
Balance yung left and right.
Grabe. Kayang-kaya magsalsa o kung ano mga sayaw.
Yes.
Napagandang Eurostep naman ni Bernales but did not connect. Pilapil, driving the ball against Redondo. Looking for someone. Drop it. Ito Lumabi. Buela against Bernales. Rejected by Redondo. Digamo attacking to Redondo. Loses his guard once again. Showing off some serious ball handles. Eto si Redondo kanina pa nag-i-slice sa kanyang defender. Napagandang atake ni Redondo. Pilapil trying to slow down the pace kasi naubos ang kanilang energy sa birilisang burst. Napagandang atake naman ni Pilapil. Parang ito na yung psychological game, di ba? If you can slash through our defense, I can shuttle and
I can
break.
penetrate.
Yan, I can penetrate din. That shot is brought to you by, of course, Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island. No, I was already lost for words after that shot. Napagandang right and left footwork ang pinakita ni Pilapil. No? The psychological game versus Nabua versus Team Sangay. Now Bernales, heavily guarded by Lumabi. Signaling a play that their team only knows. Bernales with a bounce pass to Digamo into a teardrop. The shot rattles but it reaches the basket right in time. Now Nabua still on the lead with only 2 points. Grabe. Ito na yung sinasabi mo, Coach JP, kanina. This is an even matchup. Pilapil with a pull-up jumper. No good, Buela. Pump fake, shoots. Still, no luck for the second attempt. Digamo. Pressured by Lumabe. Pass to Redondo. Redondo against 2. Looking for someone. Waited for Fulgar. Fulgar looking for 3. Bernales from long range. No luck. And the foul was called there on Redondo.
Foul by number 9, Francis Redondo. First personal foul, second team foul.
On the offensive rebound, Redondo was called. And there you have it, the first timeout for the third quarter. Grabe with that, there's already a 3 minutes and 30 seconds time elapsed after, grabe.
Very intense sequence happening dito sa third quarter natin.
Tama, hindi mo mamamalayan ng oras. Sobrang bilis tumakbo at umatake ng magkabilang panig. Ayan, tingnan natin. I think here in the timeout, nire-review din ng ating mga referee ang last sequence.
Yes, sobrang bilis. Kailangan natin i-review, partner.
Tama. And of course, that review is brought to you by none other than IMBC. No? If not the best, no, one of the best multimedia organizer here, no, in the Bicol region. No? At par ang mga devices nila. And
high-tech ika nga.
Yan. At par, no, sa national standards. So yan, again, no, this basketball game is brought to you by ako, Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico. Napapanood din po tayo ng live sa Facebook page ni Rep Saldico, sa YouTube channel ng Ako Bicol Cup. Yan, sa screen natin, no, Ako Bicol Online TV sa Facebook page. No, medyo nagulo ko yung ano. Pero yan, no, you may also follow our newly made TikTok page, no, Ako Bicol Cup, for some highlights. Ito na, Pilapil. Dribbling the ball, loses Fulgar, Pilapil attacking, rejected by Beron, but there was a contact there.
Ito na yung Pilapil, coming from the ball screen, attacking the basket, hesitation from the attacks, and ito commits the foul. That's why ito na naman tayo sa free throw line itong si Pilapil.
Tama.
I think na-figure out ni Pilapil na pag nakakuha siya ng ball screen, nagkakaroon siya ng clear path to attack the basket.
Tama, napansin ko din, no? Very good observation, Coach JP. No, this goes to prove that basketball is not just a physical game.
Yes.
You have to know where the opponent's weakness is and then keeps on attacking it. And with that, the long pass to Velitario using the glass did not connect. Pilapil, once again, shaking off his guard. Pilapil to driving against Redondo with a hook shot. And a second attempt by Buela. Napagandang cleaning up of the mess ni Buela. And with that, Sangay is now on the board, leading with 2 points. But Bernales trying to take away that momentary lead by shooting from downtown. Still no good. Pero napagandang talon sana ng Nabwa. Pero nakuha ng Sangay. Pilapil dancing and prancing against Olans. Slides. And that became an offensive rebound, resulting to
offensive
a turnover.
Yes.
Offensive foul. Sorry. Tinitingnan ko lang, Coach JP, kung nakikinig ka sa akin.
Yes. Yan yung maganda doon.
Yung palusot. Yan. I started to be corrected. No, that was an offensive foul. Nadala ako sa excitement. No, they're as if running 1 second back and forth sa court. Rejected by Buela. But it was recovered. Napagandang rejection yon. Big man to big man, Fulgar. But there was a whistle before the shot was taken. I think Redondo was not happy with that call. He was complaining. And,
both teams, right now, both teams are forgetting to box out. Lahat ngayon, dinadaan nila sa talon.
Tama.
Yes. And yan, may epekto yan during the fourth quarter. Kung kaya mong maging efficient ka, mag-box out ka muna. No need to jump all the time.
Tama, and you have to use the remaining energy to burst on the fourth quarter. So tingnan natin kung magiging tama ang prediction mo, kung exhausted na sila sa fourth quarter. Now with a jumper, rejected by Velitario. Fulgar, passing into Bernales. Bernales slowing down the face to Redondo. Redondo against Bella. A Eurostep and a teardrop! Grabe! Grabe ang Redondo, ang isang Redondo. Without hesitation, despite 2 giants on his face, attacking. Lumabi, bounce pass to Malyapre. Malyapre, baseline attack and a reverse layup. Ito na, si Malyapre slowly showing off why he is a veteran player for Team Sangay. Sangay, Fulgar trying to cut off the lead. Loses his balance. Pass it to Bernales. To Velitario. Velitario spins and fades away! What a shot! Pwede na din yung ilistang Nowitzki shot made by Hotel. Brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Dream shake from the fadeaway shot.
Grabe naman yun.
Ibang klase din tong Pedro Velitario.
Nakagandang
Nabwa.
Buela with a behind the back pass. Almost loses the ball. Good hustle on Team Nabwa. Lumabi. Pump fakes and a pull over. Grabing angle. Ang tira na yon. Fulgar. Passes to Malyapre. What a very costly mistake made by Fulgar there. Sangay again on the lead with 2 points. Pero again, this can be anyone's ball game.
Yes. And very close game, leading by 2 points.
Pumasok na sa team na buwa si Okindo, no, ang aking pinamagatang samurai with his unique hairstyle. The samurai slashes his sword! No good. No, medyo kinapos ang tira ng ating...
Medyo na-jinx, partner, doon
jinx.
sa
Na-excite
pagpakilala
ako
mo.
And with that, Sangay, Regalario increasing their lead with 4 points. Excuse me. And yan mo ang nagmamadali na ang team na buwa, resulting to turnovers, no? Which sometimes will probably cost their game. Kasi ito, nakukuha na ni Sangay ang kanilang momentum.
Yes, and no need to rush on the part of Team Nabua. It's only 4-point game.
Tama, Buela from downtown. He shakes his hand as if the ball already went in. But there was, it was unlucky, rather. Redondo proving himself that he's a man in and out. That shot is brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Malyapre to the playmaker.
Ibang klase itong Francis Redondo. May puntos na sa inside the zone. And now outside, he's attacking. Hindi natin alam kung saan ito babantayan.
Tama. No, unpredictable player indeed. Now Fulgar, after missing that 3-point attempt, Nabua now was an opportunity to tie the lead once again. So sa mga kumakain dyan, no, bilis-bilisan nyo na ang pagkain kasi git-gitan ng labanan.
Yes, no? Or kuha kayo ng tubig.
No, baka mabilawan kayo. No, if you're on your seat, mag-seatbelt na. Kasi probably you will be at the edge of your seats in this particular ball game. Tingnan natin kung magko-continue ang ganitong siso type of battle and scoring or may maglalamang na sa 4th period. Tingnan natin, no? They've been running for almost 3 complete periods. Tingnan natin kung mag-e-epekto yung exhaustion as you've predicted because they keep on jumping, Coach JP. Now Digamo asking for a pick. Fires a missile! No good. Rebounded by Team Sangay. Ito Lumabi. Pass to Malyapre. Stripped away. But again, grabe na mga...
Yes, almost steal by Digamo.
Tama, no? The plunderers are being plundered.
Everywhere inside the court.
Grabe, napaka-exciting na bakbakan. They really want to have their ball because every possession counts. Lumabi against Bernales. Attacking, loses his guard. Pass to... Shoots!
Nag-Hail Mary shot pa yung tira na yun ni Buela. But it's a good shot from the part of Buela. Knowing yung shot clock ay pa-expire na eh.
Tama. Napakagandang tira ni Buela, no? And that resulted for Coach of Nabua to be worried. Ano kaya sa tingin mo, Coach JP, no, as a veteran and experienced coach of many leagues, ano kaya yung i-advise dito ni Coach sa Team Nabua?
I think they need to regroup themselves and just be calm. It's only 4 points. So, kayang-kaya. Ibig sabihin, sabi mo nga kanina, partner, any ball games pa to eh. Hindi pa naman tayo nasa 4th quarter. So, they need to protect every possession. Especially, they need to take care of the ball.
Tama. Ano? Thoughts on Nabua not taking so much 3-point attempt this game?
I think napipressure itong Team Nabua. They continue to attack the basket knowing na hindi na kumbaga hindi na pumapasok yung mga attack nila.
Alright.
And gumanda yung inside defense nitong Team Sangay.
Okay, tingnan natin no if the timeout will bring good result to Team Nabua because they've been edging for the first 2 periods. Now they're the one crawling back. But there was an offensive foul called on Saison.
Yes.
So that's a costly turnover once again. No? An ill result after...
yes, fade screen yung ginawa. Kaya lang, moving forward.
Yun lang. Now, Lumabi. Trying to look for an open teammate. Lumabi. Eyeing the basket. To Buela. Pump fakes. Drives. Shakes off his guard with a teardrop. No good. Redondo. But Malyapre recovers. Out of nowhere. No good. Bernales. Good hustle. Digamo once again. The runner and gunner of Team Nabua. Easy peasy. 2 points for Digamo. I think pang-apat niya na yun na
na breakaway.
Tama. We have seconds to play for the third period. Lumabi. Taking the pass to number 8. Ito na, Malyapre against 4! Grabe naman yun!
Yung sinasabi nating veterans.
Veteran moves.
Yes.
Si number 8, si Panghulan. I think first appearance na ito.
Yes.
Dito sa ating matchup.
Itong point guard ng Sangay.
Redondo with the ball. With 20 seconds and 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ito na, and a breakaway, Lumabi. 3 against 2. And passes it. Tocamo loses the ball. Shot clock is off. We only have 8 seconds remaining. Bernales with the ball. Attacking Malyapre. Teardrop. And he nails it.
Very good shot to end this third quarter from the part of Eric Bernales.
And that's the end of the third quarter. Coach JP with a score 60-58. Now in favor of Team Sangay. Thoughts on this start of second half, Coach JP?
Yes, the thoughts is itong Team Sangay naging kumbaga na figure out nila. And itong offense nitong Team Nabua. That's why hindi sila nagbago ng zone defense nila. Kasi ang nangyari dito sa Team Nabua, they continue to attack the basket even wala nang attacking kumbaga open space. Ang nangyayari sa kanila is pinipilit nila. They're forcing the issue. Just kumbaga hoping na makakumit sila ng foul to get on the line. But ang dito naman sa part ng Team Sangay is napakaganda yung movement ng defense nila.
Tama, kumbaga Nabua is becoming desperate to roll back by attacking the paint. So tingnan natin ang mga top scorers natin ngayong third quarter for Team Nabua. No doubt we have Pilapil gaining 16 points already, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal.
Yes, and dito naman sa Team Nabua itong number 1 Digamo with 13 points. And number 9 Francis Redondo with 13 points. Parehas ito 13 points tong Digamo and Redondo.
Okay, now well distributed ang points sa Nabua. While dito sa Team Sangay merong mga highlighted player. So ladies and gentlemen, if you just tuned in, we're down to the fourth and final quarter of the first game of the doubleheader match here in Sipokot Municipal Covered Court. You are watching Sangay in white jerseys against Nabua in blue jerseys. Nabua taking their first win against Lupi last time, and Sangay experiencing the bitterness of the first defeat against Naga on their first. So this is a redemption game for Sangay, and of course, Nabua wants to continue their streak. Bernales from the corner, 3, no good. Ito na, nag-aagawan ng bola sa ilalim. Pilapil looking for his teammates. Pilapil slowly generating a play to Buela, guarded by 2, back to Pilapil. Pilapil with 10 seconds to shoot. Buela, an open 3. No good. Malyapre with a big rebound. Malyapre cleaning up the mess inside.
Using the board.
Grabe naman to si Malyapre. Maximizing his presence on the last third and fourth quarter of the game. Digamo, the small but terrible man, to Redondo from outside. Top of the key 3. No good. Malyapre, very strong in the offensive and defensive rebound. Using his body and jumping ability. Now Lumabe, generating a play for his team. Git-gitan na mga kaibigan, ang mga labanan mga kaibigan. Pilapil, pati ako na utal, attacking against 4. To Lumabe, pump fakes, drives, back to Pilapil, releases. Hits the rim but not the basket. A second opportunity to Buela, but rejected from behind by the Samurai. Redondo now rushing like a wind against the Eurostep and a layup! Napagandang tira ni Redondo. Pwede mo na rin yung ilista. Iris.
Pag tumatakbo talaga tong Francis Ritondo, ilista mo na.
Tama, no, after losing his shot from the 3-point line, he attacks the paint, no, to reclaim his name. Lumabe, to Malyapre, pump fakes, attacks using his body. And a fadeaway shot made by Cano. Eto na, Sangay still leading with 5 points. Nabua trying to cut the lead by giving the ball to Digamo. Digamo asking for a pick. Digamo drives but is guarded by the big Malyapre. That's 2 against 1, but Saison almost hits the basket there. Pilapil attacking the key. Euro step, but a pass was given and the whistle was blown there before he completed the shot.
Yes, sayang. Akob shooting sana yung ginawa niya. He's going to the line, but nakita ng mga referees na is looking for the pass.
Tama, pero ito si Pilapil, if you can notice, he keep on parang mobilizing himself, squeezing in and passing through the traffic. Grabe nga to. Kumbaga sa motor, kayang lusutan kahit ano.
Yes.
This is your Pilapil.
Pwedeng pang bukid, pwedeng pang syudad.
Pang syudad, Pilapil, atake. Ito na naman ang sinasabi natin against 3 with a hook shot. Uses the glass, but that was too strong. Bernales with a bounce pass to Redondo. Redondo, the big man against Pilapil with his favorite shot. No good. Buela with a backspin pass, loses his guard. That's 4 against 2. Anong gagawin ni Buela? Buela passes to the side. What a play by Team Sangay. Militario intercepted by Pilapil. Mukhang nagbabaga na ang Team Sangay. Kumbaga, nag-init na yung karburador nila after their slow pace on the first 2 quarters.
Dito naman sa part ng Team Nabua, nagmamadali.
Tama. So, tingnan natin if the momentum will change or continues ang dominance ng Team Nabua at
naging football.
Lumabi acknowledges his mistake there. He raised his hand because he knew that was kicking of the ball, illegal kicking. Digamo.
Sa volleyball, good yan, partner.
Sa volleyball, pwede.
Good yan, di ba?
Pero sa basketball, hindi. With a jumper from the free throw line. And out of nowhere, a Superman shot by Belitario, but a foul was called there.
And itong si Pedro Belitario is playing for CSPC with Coach Peter Barcelon.
Grabe. So mga batikan talaga ang ating mga players, no. And sometimes, no, may mga nakikita kasi ako sa FB page. They are mocking other teams kasi natatambakan ng isang team. No, take note, those are not ordinary players in teams. No, nagkataon lang na medyo malakas yung isang team, but these are the top players, no, in Camarines Sur kasi nakapasok sila sa Bigat 10, eliminating 26 other teams. So these are no ordinary teams.
Yes.
No?
They're one of the best player from their municipalities. Yeah, and per district, kasi ito na yung top 10, Coach JP, para sa kaalaman ng lahat, these are the top 2 per district. So dito nakikita natin ang, I think, si Nabua ang top 1 and Sangay ang top 1 din as well, or I'm not sure, no, kung sino dito yung, Sangay I think is the top 1. Yes.
So, yan. Digamo trying to cut the lead. Ito na, nag-uusap na si Pilapil and Malyapre. Probably they'll be using their connections for the last 6 minutes of this ball game. Lumabe asking them to go to the under the rim. Pilapil, back to Lumabe. Thinking 3, fires a missile! Uses the glass but didn't connect. Bounce pass to Bernales. Bernales trying to shake off his guard to Digamo, but that was a very strong pass to that little man there. No, kaya medyo hindi na abot ni Digamo yung pasa. Lumabe now generating, no, babad na babad si Lumabe to Pilapil, guarded by Digamo. Lumabe asking for a pick and roll ni Lumabe, shakes off his guard to Buela from his favorite spot and shoots. Yung ba yung tinatawag na Pinoy step, Coach JP?
Half Pinoy step.
Pinoy step. Digamo! Grabe naman to.
May kasama pang foul.
Despite the disadvantage in height, no? He can cut and slash against all defenders. Kumbaga, this is the virus of Nabwa. That shot, of course, is brought to you by Hotel Venetia.
The good thing dito sa ginagawa ng Team Nabwa, partner, pag nagta-turnover sila, so they miss. Pero kapag nakakalusot yung pasa, yun nagiging deadly sila.
Tama, no? And if you've been watching us since first quarter, makikita mo talaga si Digamo. No, very good in bursting. No, out of nowhere, biglang makikita mo na lang siya on the other side of the court, creating easy points for his team. But of course, no, running like that will take the gas out of you. No, stepping on the pedal, of course, will consume most of your body gas.
Yes, but I think condition itong Digamo. Kita naman natin sa katawan.
Tama, no?
Diba?
And of course, these players have been playing on their, probably most of their life, no? If not half, if not all of their life, no? Kasi, kaya itong isang game na to, parang if you're going to ask them, they can still play 2 or 3 more games after this.
Yes, I think tama yung sinabi mo na they can still play even after this game.
Tama, no? Usually amazing, lalo na yung mga sa street basketball, no? Lalo na pag may dumadaya. After one game, may tinatawag tayong rebansa, then another rebansa. No? This is for the love of the game.
Love of the game o ball is life?
Ball is life, no? It's either, no? Depende. But yeah, no, that's the fun in the basketball. No? By practicing and playing, you'll be equipped with the necessary skills to be in this prestigious league, the Ako Bicol Cup. Lumabi with a floater using the glass. And that made a 3-point lead once again. Digamo against Lumabi. Trying to lose his guard. Digamo still struggling. Blow by. Back to Digamo. Digamo with a connection to Beron. But a whistle was blown there. Nagkaroon ng konting lambingan doon. Stare down. And a foul was awarded to Pilapil. We have 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. No, wag po kayong aalis and bibitaw kasi napaka-exciting ang susunod na laban natin. Lupi versus Naga City. Tingnan natin. For the meantime, let's focus on the game at hand. Pilapil. Medyo galit na sa pagbibigay ng instruction sa kanyang team because this is a very crucial play and I think there was a whistle there. No. Tingnan natin kung was it an 8-second violation or hindi gumalaw yung oras. Tingnan natin we'll be reviewing.
Yes.
So while we're reviewing, shoutout ko lang yung mga friends ko dyan na nanonood, nagpapa-shoutout sila. Ikakasal na sa Sabado ang isa sa mga barkada ko, si Ambo. No, congratulations.
Yes, congratulations and pag-isipan mo po.
Yan. No, good couple naman sila. So shoutout Ambo and congratulations. Shoutout din kay Gerald, kay George, kay Mark, kay King, kay Janik, kay Ikok. Happy viewing sa inyong lahat.
Yes, and on the part naman sa akin, shoutout naman sa mga coaches namin, itong si Coach Noel, Coach Ruben, Coach Roland, Coach Drake, and Coach Joven. Balo.
Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. And of course, thank you sa Ako Bicol Cup and kay Congressman Saldico for bringing this game to us. Thank you din sa aming mga bossing na si si Sir Ino and Sir Lloyd Rivera. Maraming salamat po for having us here.
Yes, thank you po. Lalo na sa opportunity to showcase our talent and
and our, of course, our love for the game as well. No? Kasi basketball is not just for the players, it's for the coaches, the audiences, and for everyone. Diba? Sabi nga niyan, kung hindi mo mahal yung laro, mahalin mo na lang yung player. Sabi ng ibang bakit daw may mga babaeng nanonood sa basketball. So yan, I think pinaprocess pa yung commotion a while ago. So anong masasabi mo, Coach JP, sa mga natitirang 4 minutes ng laro? Ano kaya yung dapat gawin ng both teams dito para ma-secure nila ang panalo?
Both teams, they need to give their 100% effort dito sa natitirang under 5 minutes. Ika nga, ito na yung fourth quarter natin. So, all out na tayo dito. Lahat na tinuro ng coaches nila sa practices. Down dito sa nakasama sila sa quarterfinals. So ito na yung pinakahihintay nila if magbubunga yung ginawa nila.
Tama. Kung baga sa P6, this is the piecewise defining moment for them.
Yes.
And Nabua, no, wishing to continue their streak while Team Sangay wants to put their name on the board with the score. Malyapre from long range. And that's an air ball. Nabua with an opportunity to lessen the lead. Redondo dribbles, heavily guarded now by Buela. Back to Digamo, the ball handler for the team. Digamo attacks, loses the ball. Malyapre with a good hustle and defense there. Cano to Buela. Buela attacking against 3. But there was a foul on reaching in called on Team Nabua.
I think Francis Redondo, he tried to pull the jersey of Buela.
So that was a costly mistake, resulting to a foul kasi tatlo naman silang guard sana noon. I think they could have defended it. Now Pilapil with the ball. Heavily guarded by Bernales. Pilapil attacking against all odds. Loses the ball after dropping a dime. Bernales attacking the key, penetrating not. Napagandang pasa sana. Para very costly layup by Beron. Pilapil with a Eurostep and a shot but no good. Ito na, mukhang hindi nila nasisecure yung mga tira. I think the exhaustion, Coach JP is kicking in for both teams. No, yung mga easy dipsy do sana, hindi nila nasisecure.
And babalikan nila yon mamaya after this game.
Oo, mukhang makakarinig tayo ng pulutan.
Or sisingilin sila noon.
Ito na, Fulgar, shooting. Buela, running like a wind, dashing against 2. Without looking at the sides, he attacks from coast to coast. But again, no, hindi na kumukonekta ang kanilang mga tira. Bernales, guarded by Lumabi. Bernales with a quick pick and roll. Intercepted, almost intercepted. Redondo from the corner. Still, no luck. No, ito na yung continuous missing of shots because of the pressure, the exhaustion brought to them by running for too long.
They starting to feel the fatigue right now, partner.
Ito na.
All out na tayo dito.
Kahit si Johnny Bravo ng San Rafael, mukhang gigil na rin sa comment section. Nanonood daw siya ng live from Naga City.
Nagkaroon pa ng 5 seconds violation from the inbound itong si Francis Redondo and another costly turnover from the part of Nabua.
Tama, ito na, Sangay. Now with a 3-point lead and a ball possession. Yung kaninang naghahabol, they are now dominating this unfamiliar court of Sipokot. But before we proceed any further, puntahan muna natin si Carmela para sa kanyang report. Carmela, iyo na ang ating court.
Magandang gabi muli mga kasurog. And right now, Team Nabua ended the first half with 42 points and 41 points from Team Sangay. But this time, dito sa ating second half, tuluyan nang nahabol ng Team Sangay ang Team Nabua and already get the lead in this game. Kanina nga sa huddle, mas nagiging seryoso na si Coach Eric Pilapil dahil hindi na nagkakalayo ang kalamangan nila. Ayon kay Coach, huwag daw pilitin ang mga tira na medyo alanganin dahil mas nagbibigay ito ng advantage sa kanilang kalaban. They really have to consider the timing and spacing para mas maging flexible ang pag-convert ng bawat tira nila. Dagdag pa nito na mas dapat nilang higpitan ang pagbigay depensa sa mga point guard ng Team Nabua para mapigilan ito na magkaroon ng tsansa na makapagpuntos. Yan muna ang update dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo Coach JP and Coach Jello.
Thank you, Carmela, sa napaka-accurate na report. No? Again, as the game started, kita na ang labanan between Team Sangay and Team Nabua. And with that, no, just right after the report, Sangay is now leading only with 1 point. Lumabe now generating a play, no, the play of this game probably. They have to increase their advantage to secure the win. Lumabe, attack against 4, spins and a jumper! Napapagandang drive, losing his guards, but didn't secure the shot. Bernales with an opportunity to cut and gain the advantage. Beron hesitates. Bernales asking for a pick. Beron, quick pass inside to Fulgar. Beron spins, throws the ball into the air because of Lumabe against Militario. At napakagandang motion ang ginawa doon ni referee to signal that the ball is in plus a bonus shot. Pero I think it was a heavy injury.
Yes, Lumabi, tumama siya dun sa pillars ng court.
This could be very difficult for the team Sangay if Lumabi cannot continue. But he has the heart of a player, I think. So we'll troop to the line to complete the 3-point play.
Yes. 1 minute and 4 seconds ang natitira. So, pag natapos to, wala talagang matitira. Pagod lahat.
Pagod lahat. Pero at least, napakagandang laro. Kung makikita mo naman, partner, punong-puno ang municipal covered court ng Sipokot despite these teams, from the other the other side. Diba, ang layo ng Nabua.
Yes.
At ang layo, basta malayo ang Sangay. Pero andito yung mga tao ng Sipokot to watch this intense, incredible, death-defying ball game. Napakaganda. I cannot find the appropriate words, Coach JP.
Yes, and dito natin makikita kung gaano ka-enthusiast ang mga Pilipino even dito sa province natin of Camarines Sur.
Tama. Kung nandito kayo, kahit yung mga tao nakatayo na, kahit medyo mainit, kasi siksikan, they are still here. And hindi lang ito para sa mga youth, mga basketball players, meron mga matatanda. We have kids here aspiring to basketball players. So with that, we are really thankful for Ako Bicol Party List. Of course, headed by Congressman Saldico for bringing the basketball game to us. And napapanood tayo hindi lang dito sa Sipokot, hindi lang sa Camarines Sur, hindi lang sa Bicol region, but in the entire Philippines through our FB channels and YouTube channels. And even sa ibang bansa, yung mga parents nila na nasa abroad, jowa, or maging sa ibang planeta kung umaabot man din yung signal natin, Coach JP.
Yes, totoo yan. Iyon yung power ng media natin and at the same time yung internet natin.
Tama, and para seamless ang motion ng mga movements, the team, the IMBC is even bringing their own Wi-Fi just to bring you the best quality of basketball games. As if you are sitting here inside the municipality covered court. Now, Lumabe. He didn't complete the 3-point play. There was a very physical contact under the rim. And without realizing it, Sangay is maximizing their time. Using the clock at their advantage, Pilapil fires the missile, air ball. And now Redondo with the ball to Bernales. Bernales looking for 3 to cut the lead. No luck. Napaka-costly mistake and nagmamadali ang Team Sangay, but Malyapre recognizing that they are on the lead. Pass it to Pilapil with 32 seconds remaining and 14 seconds to shoot. Ito na, pinatugtog na ang nakakabang musika at the people are at the edge of their seats. Pilapil attacking. Tubuela, pump fakes with a long-range shot. No good. Nabua with the ball. An opportunity to cut the lead. They have to shoot from beyond the arc or make a foul to tie the ball game. Grabe ang action dito at nakatayo ang ating mga player, but that's an out of bounds. A ball will be awarded to Sangay. The prey for the first 3 quarters are now the predator of this ball game, Coach JP.
Yes, totoo yan. Kapit lang po tayo. Meron pa natitirang 7.8 seconds dito sa ating 4th quarter.
And miracles can happen,
yes.
Diba? Very, very important ang mga few seconds na mga laro. Diba? Sa marathon, point something lang yung pinaglalabanan, Trivia lang, if the Titanic could have turned their ship for 3 seconds earlier, they could have saved million lives. So what more is 7.8 seconds, segundo sa TV? It will cost millions. So tingnan natin kung paano gagamitin ni Nabua, given that they're on the defense, not on the offense.
Yes, I think if they will go for the steal or for the foul.
Tama. Kung ikaw yung Coach JP, ano yung ibibigay mong instruction?
Go muna ako sa quick steals, tight defense. Pag wala, quick foul tayo.
Okay, tingnan natin if they will do the same. Mga kaibigan, kapit lang kayo sa natitirang 7 segundo ng laro. Buela with an inbound. Grabe ang pressure. To lumabi, of course, the ball handler. And there was a foul.
Ayun na.
Ito na kasi hindi nila makukuha yung steal.
Yes. And good on the part of Team Nabua. Recognition na kailangan nila yung foul yun. Now, they need to pray if the 2 free throw shot will come in or not.
Kasi kahit isa lang pumasok dito, they will be disheartened kasi it's very hard to come back from a 4-point lead given that we only have 4 seconds. But despite everything, this was a good game, well played for both the teams. And ito na nga, yung heartbreaking scenario sa
heartbreaking free throw of Joshua Buela. And he's one of the players na kanina sa matchup
na na-feature natin.
Yes.
Yung tinatawag natin, Coach JP, yung kasurog matchup.
Yes, kasurog matchup.
Very crucial na and that I think is the nail to the coffin, securing 2 shots out of 2. Parang kumbaga yung una securing the coffin, nailing the coffin. Ito parang adding insult to the injury na lang. Despite we don't need it kasi baka mag 3-point, pumasok tos may foul, makatabla pa.
Ayun, yun nga, yung
worst case scenario.
Yes,
worst case scenario para sa Team Sangay, Pero that's a very low percentage scenario naman for Team Nabua.
Yes, I think lamang ng 5 points itong Team Sangay.
Tama. And I think we can safely say that this ball games is on the hands of Sangay. Pero tingnan natin kung makakabuslo pa ng puntos ang Team Nabua sa huling 4 na segundo. Because this is what a basketball game is. You have to fight until the very last second.
Yes, last seconds and last buzzer.
And diba, the respect of the players, the audience, hindi sila umalis. Redondo with a bounce pass to Bernales. Bernales with the final 3. No good. And still, a foul was called there, but I think hindi na i-award or i-award pa ba?
That's the end of the ball game,
That's the end of the
partner.
Napakaganda. It's an honor to be with you, Coach JP, sa napaka-exciting na larong ito.
Same thing here, partner Sir Jello.
Ano kaya, Coach JP, sa tingin mo ang kailangang i-improve ng Team Nabua after this loss? Kasi despite being defeated, still 1-1 pa rin yung standing nila. While Sangay is 1-1 as well.
Yes, they need to be composed, lalo na kapag may pressure na yung game. Like kanina nangyari, lamang pero mahabol tayo. I think they need to be composed.
Yan, makita natin na on the board ang ating highlights ng Game 1. Of course, this game is brought to you by Mississippi Bay Highlands, Hotel St. Elias, and Hotel Venetia. And I think there was a foul called kasi nag-foul pa yung Nabua. So, baka i-award pa rin, kasi we are obeying the national standards, the FIBA rules. So, as respect to the rules in the game, baka bigyan pa rin ng award ng free throws yung team Sangay. Pero yan, Coach JP, napakagandang laro ang ipinakita ng dalawang koponan. As we were predicting a while ago, this will be a game of aggression. And we've seen na grabe yung burst na ipinakita ng dalawang koponan. So yan, kung ikaw ang coach ng team Sangay naman, Coach JP, ano naman yung sasabihin mo after?
Siyempre, congratulations. With the absence of Jinsen Monsalve, we still managed to win this game.
Tama, yung sinasabi kanina ni Coach ng Sangay, very unfortunate na wala yung isang player nila kasi naiwan yung jersey. So, pero despite that, I think it's a good experience for the other team members.
Yes.
Because
it gave them confidence that they can still win and dominate the game.
Yes. And
themselves.
given that situation, may nag-step up. Diba?
Tama.
If someone being absent, may nag-step up. And I think dagdag yun sa na-discover nung coach nung team Sangay.
Tama, no?
Yes.
Every experience indeed no is a learning opportunity
Yes.
for each team. Kahit no after of course no Nabwa after experiencing a first loss in this quarterfinals, this will be a learning opportunity for them as well, no?
Yes, both teams.
Tama.
They learn from this very intense game.
Tama, no? Sabi nga niya, no, though it's a cliche, experience is our best teacher. So, tingnan natin kung paano sila mag-i-improve sa mga susunod na nilang laro kasi medyo mahaba pa ang ating quarterfinals. Again, this exciting ball game is brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Zaldico. Katabang na, kasurug pa. So, abangan natin ang susunod na laro, Coach JP, no?
Yes.
Very exciting matchup as well ng Naga City versus Team Lupi. So, kapanapanabik na bakbakan, no? A powerhouse, Team Naga,
Yes.
yun yung label ng...
Yes, yung label, yung powerhouse, Team Naga.
Parang because of several games, wala pa rin silang talo. No, tingnan natin, no, kasi for sure, pag ganyan, gigil yung bawat team na ipa-experience seemingly undefeated and very strong team yung the taste of defeat. Parang it's a claiming glory, hindi man kami mag-champion dito, at least tinalo namin yung powerhouse.
Yun yung kagandahan doon na motivation. But I think yung mga coaches from Naga, hindi naman papayag yan.
Diba? No, of course, no, kasi again, no, you cannot pull a rabbit out of a hat. Hindi basta-basta yung miracles in basketball. You have to create, practice, create strategic and intricate gameplays to win a specific ball game. Kasi hindi naman yung nagpapahinga lang Team Naga, nagpa-practice din sila to improve themselves better. So yan, inaantay lang natin ang ating kasurog player of the game para kapanayamin, no, ng ating courtside reporter na si Carmela. For the meantime, no, again, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. This game is brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List, Congressman Zaldico. Napapanood tayo dito ng live sa Municipal Covered Court ng Sipokot. Pwede nyo rin kaming panoorin ng live sa Facebook page ni Congressman Representative Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Pwede nyo ding i-follow ang aming YouTube channel, that's Ako Bicol Cup, and our TikTok page na Ako Bicol Cup. Makikita mo doon si Sir Iris na sumasayaw ng Big Boy.
Sikat na sikat yan
Sikat
ngayon.
na sikat. Oo. And minsan, no, sa mga audience natin, punta kayo sa mga covered courts kung saan ginaganap ang ating mga exciting games because may mga surprises na binibigay si Ako Bicol. Minsan, nagpapasayaw sila. No, they'll give 5,000, 6,000 to the best dancers. Minsan, nagpapatira sila sa 3 points. Sa half court. No, giving 5,000 sa mga buslo ng tira.
Kung pwede lang sumayaw tayo, partner, pwede.
Magta-try na lang akong tumira sa half court.
Kaya lang naka-headset tayo.
Magbi-big boy sana tayo ganyan. Pero yan, magiging meme tayo ng Ako Bicol kapag ginawa natin yon. So yan, again, no, very exciting ball game. Huwag na nating patagalin pa. Let's interview the kasurog player of the game, no, along with Carmela. So Carmela, take it away.
Ayan, maraming salamat Coach Jello and Coach JP, and right now with me is our kasurog player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Joshua Buela, scoring 18 points, 12 rebounds, and 3 assists and 1 steal. First of all, Joshua, congratulations. What a game for you. At the first half of the game ay talaga namang nahirapan kayo, nakitang-kita yung pagod at hirap nyo, but at the end of the game, you were able to win it. Paano nyo yung nagawa?
Nakinig lang kami sa tinuturo sa amin ni Coach. Talagang pinagporsigan talaga namin to kasi pag natalo na kami dito, wala na eh. Parang inisip namin na championship na tong game na to.
So ayan, balikan naman natin yung first game nyo. Yung first game nyo ay medyo inalat kayo doon at natalo kayo. So ano ba, kamusta sa pakiramdam na this time, dito sa inyong second game, ay nakuha nyo na yung panalo?
Sobrang saya syempre kasi quarterfinals na to eh. Pataas na ng pataas pupunta namin eh. Kaya kailangan pa namin masigitan pa yung kung ano man yung nagawa namin ngayon dito.
Alright. By the way, we are live sa ating social media platforms. May gusto ka bang batiin, pasalamatan, lalong-lalo sa mga supporters mo?
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin, lalong-lalo na po sa family ko. At syempre, kay God po. Tsaka sa mga teammates ko po, sa mga supporter. Thank you po. Sobra.
Ayan, maraming salamat Joshua and once again, congratulations. Ayan, that's it mga kasurog, our best player of the game. Kaya muling magbabalik ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur for our last match up for tonight. Maraming salamat.